I'm Judy. Today I will introduce the beautifully designed LED display, EA500H8 LED display. As one of the EagerLED most popular LED display in the company, this EA500H8 model has a comprehensive function design. The most basic is equipped with a quick lock and corner gravity to ensure safety and stability. You can also choose arc lock to create different shapes. The cabinet of EA500H8 rental LED display is designed with 3 handles, which makes it very convenient to carry or grab. If these little guys breaks, don't worry, sir, because our power boxes can be removable. Open the door to easily remove the power box. Remember to turn off the power before operation. After repair, you can check whether the power box has been stopped by looking at the past button. In addition to the power box, this model is also very easy to maintain. EA500H8 rental LED display uses magnetic LED panels. The board design supports the front and the rear surface maintaining design, and significantly improving the efficiency and convenience of this installation. And this is the end of the introduction. If you really need an LED display, you can just leave a message down below. I will easy to contact you. Bye bye.